So before going to CT severity score, what is CORADS? CORADS is a categorical assessment scheme for reporting of CT chest patients of COVID-19, and it represents only the level of suspicion but not the severity of COVID-19 infection. So for example, if CORADS level is 5, it indicates that there is very high chance of COVID-19 infection, but it does not indicate the severity. So this is the CORADS scoring system, which is very simple. No findings, that is normal CT chest, low suspicion, intermediate suspicion, high and very high suspicion, which is nothing but typical COVID-19 chest imaging findings. And when the patient is PCR positive, then we label it as CORADS 6. Now let us see what is CT severity score. Before going to CT severity score, I wanted to show you one important pitfall. So if you see these small opacities along the posterior aspect but not along the anterior aspects, don't think as these as ground glass opacities. So this is nothing but the gravitational opacities which normally are present in most of the patients, which should not be confused with the ground glass opacities. So these are the classic confluent ground glass opacities. You can see peripheral location involving the anterior as well as posterior aspects of the bilateral lung fields. So always remember this pitfall. With these opacities should not be confused with the ground glassing. So let us see what is CT severity score. So we know already about the right and left lungs, and each lung is divided into three, right lung into 3 and left lung into 2 lobes. So each lobe is given a score of 1 to 5 based on the lung involvement. So the total score comes to 25. So what is the criteria? If the lobe involvement is 5% or less than 5%, we give the score of 1. If it is 5 to 25%, score of 2. 25 to 50% of involvement, it is score of 3. 50 to 75% involvement is score of 4. And if it is more than 75%, then we give a score of 5. So for example, the score 5 means that the lobe is more than 75% involved by the COVID-19 infection. So this is the classification of CT severity score, how indicates the severity of CT chest infection. So it can be classified like mild, moderate and severe based on the scoring system. If the entire score is less than 8, it is mild. 9 to 15, it is moderate severity, and if the score is more than 15, the severity score is severe. Here you can see one extensive peripheral ground glassing and even consolidation involving the bilateral upper and lower lobe segments and right middle lobe segments as well. So when this comes to report, this is how we should prepare a box for right upper lobe, middle lobe and lower lobe, and look for the involvement of each lobar involvement, that is 25 to 50 or less than 5% or 75 to 100%, and score each lobe separately and add it. The final score comes to this CT severity score, that is 15 out of 25 in the previous example. So what we are going to give in the impression is the features are suggestive of atypical viral pneumonia, that is CORADS 5. Once we have all the classic features of COVID-19 infection, and the CT severity score is 15 out of 25 and it is of moderate severity. So this is as simple as that. Just we need to divide it into lobes involvement, percentage of involvement and score assigned to that particular percentage. Then once we add up all the entire score of all the lobes, then we get the entire CT severity score. Thank you all.